Hello children, welcome back to your English language class. So this is your English language class, and in this class we will do reflexive pronoun. Children, we are doing chapter 5 as you know. You all know that we were doing chapter 5, that is the pronouns, isn't it? And so please open your book at page number 24. In this page we will discuss, in this class we will discuss the reflexive pronouns. So what are reflexive pronouns? R-E-F-L-E-X-I-V-E, reflexive. Okay, means it will reflect back. By the term reflexive, somehow our sense comes to our mind that it will reflect. It will reflect something. Let us see what it will reflect. Okay. So what are reflexive pronouns? The pronouns that are used in a sentence when the object of the sentence is same as the subject. Okay. Those pronouns are known as reflexive pronoun. Is it clear? Once again I'll explain. I'll tell you the pronouns that are used in a sentence when the object of a sentence is same as the subject. Okay, let me give you one example. Suppose I hurt myself. Anyhow, by mistaken, today I was working in the kitchen and I have hurt myself. Okay, see, what do you mean by subject? You are clear with subject and object of a sentence? Is it clear to you? What do you mean by subject? Subject of a sentence means, in a sentence, what is subject? The subject means the person about whom we are talking. Who is doing the action? Here, I am doing the action. I hurt myself. I am talking about myself. Isn't it? So, the subject means the doer of the action. In a very simple way, in a sentence, subject means doer of the action. And object receives what? The actions of the verb. Isn't it? Whatever what I have done, I have hurt myself. Who has received the action? What is the action? Hurt. Isn't it? So, and who is receiving the action? Me. So what? What we have found that? We have found that the word myself, I hurt myself, means what? I am the same person who hurt myself. Is it clear? I hurt myself. I am showing you. I hurt myself. As you all know that, what is subject? Doer of an action. And what is object? The word or the thing that receives the action of the verb. What is verb here? Hurt. Isn't it? So who is receiving the action? Myself. So myself is the object. And hurt is verb. And I is what? I is the subject. I am the doer of the action. So now what is, our topic was, what is reflexive pronoun? What is reflexive pronoun? The reflexive pronoun in a sentence, what it does, a pronoun which is used in a sentence when the object of the sentence is same as the subject. Here, I and myself, both are same person. Isn't it? I hurt myself. Is it clear? So, the pronoun that are used in a sentence when the object of the sentence is same as the subject of the sentence, personal pronouns are used. Is it clear? So, let us give you more examples from the book. See, I wrote the essay all by myself. I wrote the essay by myself. Here the subject and the object are same. So myself is reflexive pronoun. I am reflecting back. Isn't it? Now we enjoyed ourselves in the picnic. We enjoyed ourselves. So ourself is the reflexive pronoun used here. Can you tidy the room all by yourself? So here yourself is the personal pronoun. She baked the cake herself. So she and herself both are same. So here that word herself, it is used in the subject, it is used as a pronoun when the object and subject of the sentence are same. They amused themselves with songs and jokes. They and themselves, they are same person, isn't it? Subject and object are same. Now the cat jumped off the wall by itself. So here the cat and itself, they identify same thing. Itself means the cat, isn't it? So it is reflexive pronoun. We will make the sand castle by ourselves. We and ourselves. Both are used as the same, isn't it? Object and subject are same. He cooked pasta all by himself. So here himself is reflexive pronoun. Who cooked the pasta? He cooked by himself. Both of you will solve the questions by yourselves. Both of you, here we are talking about two persons. So yourselves, S-E-L-V-E-S. Yourself is the plural form of yourself. S-E-L-F, yourself is singular. Y-O-U-R, your S-E-L-F, self is singular. It is used in singular form. When we talk about more than one, okay, then it will become yourselves. Y-O-U-R-S-E-L-V-E-S, yourselves. Okay. So these are few examples. See, the word myself, ourself, yourself, herself, themself, itself, himself and yourselves are in a sentence are known as reflexive pronoun. Is it clear? What are reflexive pronoun? The pronoun that are used in a sentence when the subject and object of the sentence are same. Is it clear? In the next class, we will do the exercise based on reflexive pronoun. Please go through whatever we have discussed today in this class. Thank you.